Hello and welcome to Gardening Unraveled. Thank you so much for being here with me today in my small home garden. Today we're going to build a 4x4 raised bed very quickly, very economically. I'm building two raised beds this way. Alright, take two. Had to put my sunglasses. It's just so bright in here. Alright, so today I am determined to build my two raised beds. It's been rainy, it's been sunny, it's been raining on and off today. So I bought these blocks. They're called Old Castle wall blocks. Have to fill up this bed with at least 4 inches of soil, just because I have the cardboard that still needs to be decomposed. Today I went to Menards and looked for 2-inch thick boards. They were about a little bit more than $5 each. So then I was looking at composite deck boards. I did some research and it said that it is safe. Alright, so here they are. So you see here, this is coated, it's fade resistant. It's not gonna rot, at least the exterior. And you have the inside. So when you shop for these, make sure they're not scratched up. $3.99 each. You can't beat that. I replaced all wooden corners with these blocks. The wooden corners came with a raised bed kit, and after a couple of years started to split and rot. The 1x6 boards are still in a good shape after 6 years, so I am reusing them to build the 2 additional raised beds. A typical 4-foot by 4-foot raised bed with a depth of 4 inches of soil requires 0.2 cubic yards or 5.33 cubic feet of soil. However, this raised bed is a little bit bigger because the corners add a few inches, and so I would go with at least 6 cubic feet of soil. I will plant garlic in this bed, and garlic needs good fertile soil with lots of organic matter. The compost is derived from natural forest products, green waste, and composted cow manure, and there's only 25% of composted cow manure. If it were just 100% cow manure, I would only add 1 bag per raised bed because typically cow manure has salts and a lot of nitrogen, so that would burn your plants. So I'm using 5 bags in this raised bed. I'm mixing it real well with the mushroom compost and the organic garden soil. To fill this bed, I'm also using old potting soil mix. that I grew tomatoes and bell peppers in. So I'm just gonna dump all the old soil on top of this and also mix that in, just to have at least 4 inches of soil on top of the cardboard. If you have decent soil under your raised bed, then this setup will be enough. If your soil is rocky or sandy, then you can stack these blocks and add additional boards, giving you 10 inches of soil depth. And remember, the deeper your bed, the more expensive it will be to fill it. Also, soil settles over time, so add a little bit more soil at first. It is hot. It is hot today. I am sweating, but this bed is halfway built. All I need is a little bit more soil. I am so excited. I ordered garlic. It's coming. It's on its way. So I'm going to plant in this bed garlic, perhaps spring onions. The raised bed is finally finished. Less than $30 for materials and less than $30 to fill it. And most importantly, no tools required. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Please support my channel by sharing it with your friends and family. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, I would be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, my gardening friends. What you doing? He is such a curious tortoise. Anytime there's anything new in the backyard, he has to come in and inspect.